let's use the new Photoshop Generative Upscale feature to turn some low-quality images into high-quality, ready-to-use assets. So this is an AI tool, and the images we are working with I got from the National Archives. So that's a great way to play with historical photo correction or tools like this. So we've already opened our images, and we're going to go up to our options bar to Image and Generative Upscale. At this point, we can choose which model we want to use to upscale. The Firefly model is the model that will allow you to use this as part of your normal subscription. The other models, the partner models, are premium. So let's just start with the Firefly Upscaler, and I can choose 2x or 4x. For time, let's just do the 2x. And I'm going to click Upscale. And so it's going through its AI upscaling, and then it's going to create a new window with that output scale and the parameters. And that was pretty darn fast. So here is our new window. There's our original image, but notice in our layers panel, that's our before and that's our after. So it's like it really shaped things up. Now there are some weird things. If you look down in the bottom corner here, some of the date got a little messed up. So just note, it is AI and it's not quite perfect. Let's take a look at this other photo. And this time I want to show you the Topaz. So we're going to use that same method, but instead of choosing the Firefly, I am going to do the Topaz Bloom. So this adds some creative detail. We're going to still keep this on 2x, and it's going to go through the same process that we did on the previous photo. And so it's going to take a little longer because we're asking it to do a little bit more. But through the magic of video, we're going to speed this up for you. Okay, so here's our final product. There's our before, and there's our after. So definitely cleaned it up. But did you see that little shift? So it's almost like the subject is looking at the camera a little bit more. There's just that little shift in the angle of the head. So really super cool. A good next step with this image would be to heal it, do some colorizing, things like that. So how do you use this in your journalism workflow? If you are creating a printed document and somehow your source image is really, really low resolution, this is your time to bring it into Photoshop. Use that generative upscale to improve the quality and the sharpness of that image.